learners, this is Assistant Professor Komal Shivaji Ambore, the Education Faculty of Institute of Distance and Open Learning under an umbrella of University of Mumbai. I welcome you in the third session of Teacher Education, subject of MA Education Semester 2. In this video, we are going to understand about first pre-service teacher education and the second point in-service teacher education in the brief. Pre-service teacher education refers to training and education that individuals receive before they begin their teaching careers. This type of teacher education is designed to prepare prospective teachers for the challenges and responsibilities of teaching. Pre-service teacher education programs can vary in length, format, and content, depending on the country, region, or state where they are offered. Some common features of pre-service teacher education program includes general education courses. In this, pre-service teacher education programs often include general education courses in subjects such as math, science, language arts, and social studies. These courses help prospective teachers develop a broad knowledge base that they can draw upon in their teaching. Second, pedagogical training. Pre-service teacher education programs also provide training in pedagogical methods and strategies. This includes courses on lesson planning, classroom management, assessment and evaluation, and instructional design. The third one is field experience. Pre-service teacher education programs often include supervised field experience in real classrooms. This allows prospective teachers to observe experienced teachers and gain practical experience in teaching. The fourth one is specialization. Pre-service education programs may also offer specialization in specific subjects or grades level. This allows prospective teachers to develop a deeper understanding of the subject matter and the needs of students in specific grade levels. Overall, pre-service teacher education programs are essential for preparing prospective teachers for their teaching careers. These programs provide individuals with the knowledge, skills, and practical experience necessary to become effective and successful teachers. Here are some examples of pre-service teachers education program. The first example is Bachelor of Education, which you call as B.Ed. This is 4-year undergraduate program that prepares students to become teachers. The program typically includes courses in educational theory and practice, as well as supervised teaching experience in classroom. The second one is Postgraduate Certificate in Education, which you call PGCE. This is 1-year program for individuals who already have a bachelor's degree in the field of other than education. The program provides students with the necessary knowledge and skills to become teachers, including classroom experience. The third one is Masters of Education, you call MEd. This is a postgraduate program that provides students with an in-depth understanding of educational theories, pedagogies, and research. The program is suitable for individuals who want to advance their teaching career or pursue a leadership roles in education. The fourth one is alternative certification programs. These are accelerated programs for individuals who have a bachelor's degree in a field other than the education and want to become teachers. These programs offer focused training in education and teaching, often with the requirements of supervised classroom experiences. The fifth one is Teach for the Other Countries. This is a program that recruits recent graduates from various fields to teach in under-resourced schools for 2 years. The program provides intensive training and support to these individuals to prepare them for their teaching roles. These are just a few examples of pre-service teacher education programs, and there are many other programs and pathways available depending on the specific needs and requirements of individuals and the educational system in which they intend to teach. Let's understand what is there in NEP 2020 for pre-service teacher education. The National Education Policy NEP 2020 emphasizes the need for quality teacher education in India. The policy recognizes the importance of pre-service teacher education in preparing teachers who are competent, motivated, and committed to providing quality education to students. Some of the key features of the pre-service teacher education in NEP 2020 are: the first one is 4-year integrated B.Ed program. The policy recommends a 4-year integrated B.Ed program which will integrate disciplinary content, pedagogical knowledge, and practical classroom experience. This program will replace the existing 2-year B.Ed program. Second, multidisciplinary approach. The pre-service teacher education program will adopt a multidisciplinary approach which will enable teachers to develop a broader understanding of various subjects and their interconnection. Third one is ICT-based teacher education. The policy emphasizes the use of technology and ICT-based teacher education to enhance the quality of teacher training. Fourth one, focus on experiential learning. The pre-service teacher education program will focus on experiential learning and will provide opportunities for teacher trainings to observe and practice teaching in real classroom settings. The fifth one is continuous professional development. The policy emphasizes the need for continuous professional development of teachers and encourages the establishment of a robust system of in-service training and development programs. Overall, the NEP 2020 aims to transform the pre-service teacher education system in India and create a guard of highly qualified, motivated, and competent teachers who can provide quality education to all students. Now, moving to the next, in-service teacher education refers to the professional development and training that teachers receive while they are already employed in their teaching positions. In-service teacher education is designed to help teachers stay up to date with the latest research, training, teaching strategies, and technologies and to improve their effectiveness in classroom. Here are some examples of in-service teacher education. The first one is professional development workshop. These are training sessions that provide teachers with opportunities to learn about new teaching strategies, technologies, and research-based practices. These workshops are typically offered by school districts, educational organizations, or teacher unions. The second one is conferences and seminars. These are events where teachers are attend lectures, panels, discussions, and workshops led by experts in the field of education. These events provide teachers with an opportunity to network with other educators and to learn about the latest trends and innovations in education. The third one is online courses. There are many online courses and programs available for in-service teacher education. These courses allow teachers to learn at their own pace and to access training materials from anywhere with an internet connection. The fourth one is mentoring programs. Some schools and educational organizations offer mentoring programs that pair experienced teachers with newer or less experienced teachers. These mentoring programs provide opportunities for new teachers to learn from experienced colleagues and to receive feedback and support. The fifth one is collaborative professional learning communities. These are groups of teachers who come together to collaborate and learn from one another. These communities may meet in person or online and provide opportunities for teachers to share best practices, reflect on their teaching, and receive supports and feedback from their peers. Overall, in-service teacher education is essential for helping teachers stay up to date with the latest teaching strategies, research and technologies, and to improve their effectiveness in the classroom. The National Education Policy NEP 2020 recognized the importance of in-service teacher education in enhancing the knowledge and skills of practicing teachers. The policy emphasizes the need for continuous professional development of teachers and aims to create a robust system of in-service teacher education in India. Some of the key features of in-service teacher education in NEP 2020 are: the first one is regular training and development programs. The policy recommends regular in-service training and development programs for teachers to keep them up to date with the latest teaching techniques, pedagogies, and technologies. The second one is teacher mentoring. The policy recommends the establishment of the mentoring program of teachers where experienced teachers can guide and support their less experienced colleagues. The third one is peer learning and collaboration. The policy emphasizes the need of peer learning and collaboration among teachers to promote knowledge sharing and best practices. The fourth one is ICT-based teacher education. The policy recommends the use of technology and ICT-based teacher education to enhance the quality and effectiveness of in-service teacher education. The fifth one is recognition and rewards. The policy recommends the establishment of systems of recognition and rewards for teachers who demonstrate exemplary performance in their work. Overall, the NEP 2020 recognizes the critical role of in-service teacher education in improving the quality education in India. The policy aims to create a culture of continuous learning among teachers and provide them with the necessary support and resources to enhance their professional knowledge and skills. So in this part of video, we have covered the concept of pre-service and in-service teacher education. Its key features includes in NEP 2020. In another session, we are going to have the new concept. Till then, thank you.